5831 East Finisterre in Tucson, Arizona is one of the finest Tucson luxury properties ever. Located in the prestigious Finisterre Estates, this magnificent home recently underwent a 2-year, multi-million-dollar renovation and truly is one of the finest homes ever offered in Tucson. Incorporating materials from around the world, this home is exquisite in every sense of the word, and no detail was overlooked. Bordering the Coronado National Forest, the views are unrivaled of the private swirl-studded mountains towering over the backyard and pool area. 4 en-suite bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, 7,442 square feet, amazing walk-in wine cellar, and a stunning kitchen with Calcutta marble countertops and Wolf appliances, custom cabinets, wood floors, and fireplace from an 18th century castle in France. Let's go inside and take a tour of this exquisite Tucson mansion. If you'd like further information regarding this Tucson luxury estate, then please contact Bryan Durkin or Ann Ferro of Russ, Lyon, Sotheby's International Realty. Thank you for watching.